Civic technology, or civic tech, is a rapidly growing field that uses technology to improve civic engagement and make government more transparent and accountable. Civic tech tools range from simple apps that allow citizens to report potholes or graffiti to sophisticated platforms that track government spending and elections. Civic tech is reshaping citizen interaction with government in a number of ways. For example, it is making it easier for citizens to get involved in the political process by providing them with the tools to track their elected officials, contact their representatives, and even follow donations to political parties. Civic tech is also helping make government more transparent by providing citizens with access to data and information that was previously difficult to obtain. This information can be used to hold governments accountable and to make informed decisions about public policy. In South Africa, where cultural and socio-economic diversity is abundant, it is essential for technology solutions to consider both the technical and social nuances when designing civic tech tools. To ensure the success, development teams must incorporate specific and focused user research into their design process. This is why organizations with a combination of both technical and social expertise are best suited to design and develop technology solutions that meet the needs of their target population. When creating technology for widespread usage, it is important to consider the unique needs and requirements of each individual user. This requires an iterative research and development process based on constant user feedback. And that's where UX researchers fit in. The more I learn, the more I realize that researchers are not problem solvers. Instead, they are problem and solution explorers. In the product and development space, one of the researchers' roles is to help the project team apply the best fit methodologies to collect valuable project information from stakeholders and intended users of the product. By collecting this valuable information directly from intended users and reporting back, the team is better equipped to explore and solve complex issues together, as they now have the necessary information and resources to test their assumptions accurately. This collaborative approach between researchers and the project team facilitates a more holistic understanding of the problem landscape and encourages innovative solutions that might not have been apparent without user insights gathered by the researchers. As the project progresses, researchers continue to play a pivotal role by not only identifying potential roadblocks, but also by continually refining the understanding of user needs and preferences, ensuring that the evolving solution remains aligned with the ever-evolving problem space. In essence, researchers act as navigators, guiding the team through the dynamic terrain of the user problem-solving and solution-building process. As members of civic tech teams, researchers steer the course towards success with a compass forged of data-driven insights and empathetic understanding. As the team encounters challenges and iterates on their solutions, researchers are there to provide evidence-based feedback that keeps the development process grounded in reality. In this intricate dance of problem exploring and solution building, researchers also act as advocates for the end users, reminding the team that the ultimate measure of success lies in how effectively the product addresses real-world needs it was designed for. Their user-centric perspective helps prevent tunnel vision and reminds the team that the product's value is not only determined by the technical excellence, but also its practical utility and positive impact on its intended audience. As the project sails through uncharted waters of development, researchers remain steadfast in their commitment to providing the team with precise user feedback, ensuring that they stay on course while remaining adaptable to the sometimes changing winds of the civic tech space. The role of the UX researcher working in civic tech extends beyond that of data analysis and user interviews. It encompasses the art of balancing innovation and practicality, steering the ship towards the shores of accomplishment and fulfillment, where there is harmony between the problem and the intended solution. In short, user researchers are not just part of the project journey. They are one of the essential ingredients in the secret sauce that is civic technology design thinking. They provide a guiding light that illuminates the path to a destination where problem and solution merge into transformative impact.